Odofo yemo bibia chemo bibia kwaba. Edeba African History and Heritage TV so. And that's some for historian Kwaju Ajemai. Maji akunya biu. Na sena muni no me transisi dia na eya sema mu eden kwa na mdeba. Enti nedika yebeda obo ade asese ode ene acheyen. Saa so na yebesa asre obo ade nsemu nhyira ede ama. African History and Heritage TV atifo ne ahwefo nyina sabribia ye de content eto a mohwe na ene ne ye eda edikan a oba ye channel iso abo modern ase obe subscribe no wa share no wa ma afoforo nso atie ene presentation na me de ebremo no ne title ene se Asante Alliance with other tribal states in Ghana. Now, may in the series, ne ama me edisa presentation we ebane se obi fa wadamfo a sabio na onye wakwa yewo adamfo ena yewo situation bi se wakokun achibi na mpempi no ne yeta hu ne ya bono ne bono east regions wi mu no ene se eya na ye na otumfo ta ka se ha ye media se nipa no wanko anche no kra no a wagine independence cross ha ye ne dia now so babi a okeka se hoye ne dia no nyina no eye mmea bi asafo no bepe ene ko boa Asante man kon ekire etre na shim enti so obi de ne pe ekoboa na kontre wa shim a na oye wo wadamfo na mbom onye wakwa na so yesa na yete no papa bi de kura ba abefo kasafidie ntinten so ne a obeka ye ne se sabre no a na Asante ene broni kokono na bono ni ho na achim ni ho na asumasi ni ho na presentation we yebeye awie no sa opani no a oyo hene wa Ashanti region no obeti ase se Asante tokwa na okokon ye no kofa namfo firi babi ena beko boa ono nko ane kokon ya oni broni se chasmakati kokon ya nko ani nkuni enti se na nan okoka se Asante kokono ene broni kokono na achim ni ho ne bono ni ho ne fanti ni ho a na chese sabio kafrache wa history kra no na onti ase a ewom no enwe bi meka bakosem bi se Bono state or Bono kingdom no na e cover the present day Bono ne Bono east regions no na historian bi beka so meko kano meko bonase historian bi beka so no refer to me one mommy din there or say historian B or say na Bono a cover Bono east and Bono regions nyina na Bono sha ase no na di bebi ho Bono sha ase no na nsoko ho keka nsem bibre efapom ho ene ye the presentation ebeba wiye no na yahu babia na sa semna mekae no se enye nokre se ye nokre sa historian no so na yampia otoye no presentation beba na wiye no ni yahu se eye nokre ana se enye nokre na se ni ada meka no medie mitu mbre na machiresi na nde alliance series no a me de bramo no ye be hyase afri bel ana bego nsoko ne ye ma nsoko bae ne ye bae a nsoko ede ne hokobo asante ne yaka mana bewi di bebi nyina ene brodi ne bro hani enyina so na kenkansem ne edikai no mehuno free account traditions of origin written by Meyerowith. Na me kenkai afri page 45. Or say Bel, Bego, or Biego, one situated rough 70 miles west of Bonomanso, and under the elbow of the Black Vault, was a great rival of Bonomanso in gold and kola nuts. Among its mixed population were some Bono or Bron people, and some of these, it appears that at least one section had not come from Bonomanso or Mosi, but from Mandi, whether they had migrated after their home in the region. Among its mixed population, there were some Bono people, and of these, it appears that at least one section had not come from Bonomanso or Mosi, but from Mandi. Yeah, they were kind of here. Other Bel people too came from the Niger Belt, the pagan and Muslim Ligui, Hela, and Jola or Kara Jula, all regarding themselves as Jula people, and all of whom are still called Wangara by the Hausa and Akan. Okay. Now, wadane adi pefe ewo ha. Se Bel, Bego, eho ena nsoko eshasye. Na eho na ye bonofo se ne amote no. Tribe no eye mismis. Bonofo oho, Wangarafo oho. Ligbi ne hwelafo yina beye nkramufo a ye bonofo no ye frebe Wangara beso be tran ho na begu ho no na ebe ne hani area ho no na ho ye dwadibia kese pa amanfo di besen efri ho ekosrem ne kroneba ansa na broni ma ye kra no na ho dwadibia kese pa enti Wangrafo eso sene aye kano jolafo be frebe Mandi no be free Senegal area ho na be kingdom no wo na adwadie nti e na ye to be jolafo ho na be free ba betena be go ho a sabre neska okọ ho pa na nanum die ska ho enti be betena ho edi esika enti Ligbi ene hwela fo no nyina abe kabom na frebe Kara Jula ana Wangara fo no be nyina be free Monday ho ene be establish be ho ewo ho baden na bono ewo ho na tete no wo se na nipa na noso enti se hotel trikra no a obi etim free babi betenam na wa bɔ ne ho atrase enti ukoto no kra no a ono ne tim fadamfo na wo mpam no enti ho nyina no na bono anase bono manso ni influence no bono kingdom no a hyase wo Techima region nom no ni influence na cover ho enyina enti ho na de kenkansem no ebesi now seniam di kankan no ene yebeko nsoko history so na ya hwetwaka na eda nsoko ene asante ntam se asante ekun echi nsoko ana asante ko chidi bebiana anase eya yonkofa na obi no kofa yonko so ana echese nipa kro no oye wakoa na onye wakoa se obetuma ka chense na japade a owo no eye ode enti yenkwe now making kind free report bia 1973 the then government committee of inquiry bi ekoyenchi nhwehwemu efa bron ahafo ene Ashanti twaka edabentem eho na making kind free report na ya boni tofa ewo bukuemu Asante and Bronx Ahafo Regency's chieftaincy affairs making free report number 24 ose Nsoko Nana Dodoampem Nsoko Hene revealed before the committee that his ancestors came from a hole at a place called Nsesre Kesieso near Hani and were led by Nana Kutu and the Queen Mother Nana Bene. They emerged from the hole with the people of Hani, Dibebi, Brody, and a group of Mohammedans. Mohammedans we eno Jolafo ne Helafo ene Ligbifo no ka be ho asem ha te be ye Mohammedans no ba modi kana bobedin meye with Akan traditions of origin no no. 5 groups still consider themselves as relatives in view of the fact that they came together from the who. From Nsesre Kesieso, they moved to Bego, where fighting broke out among the 5 groups, that causing disintegration. The Dibebis moved to Dibebi, Brodies to Brody, and Nsokos to their present place of abode. The Mohammedans finally settled at Bonduku in Ivory Coast, and the Hanis settled at Hani. When they came to settle at Nsoko, war broke out between the Ashantis and the Techimans during the reign of Nana Opokuware. The Nsoko Hene assisted Techimans, and for a long time the Ashantis could not win this war. When Asante Hene consulted an oracle, he was advised to persuade Nsoko Hene to withdraw his support for Techimai. When Nsokos withdrew from the war, the Ashantis conquered Techimai Hene, and a bond of friendship developed between the Ashantis and the Nsoko Hene, who thereafter swore oath of allegiance to Asante Hene, indicating that he will be loyal to him at all times and assist him in time of war. Abusuafo enene da hono Nsokofo abakosem kyerese na bene Dibebi, Hani, Brody na betebia baako na ekoba se Techimai ene Asante kokono na bekoma Techimai fo ena Asante Hene okono mabosom okọ abisa na beka kire ne se one nsokofo na be ko abehye atale bi a yefre ni truntra eye bulletproof se bana da be mobam free Techimai Hene chidi a enya de a bebetima di Techimai sunkunim we ema Nsoko ekofa Asante adamfo ena okokan ne ho na okon tia Techimai enti Nsoko no Ashanti Opokuware the first no a military alliance ayonkofa ena omkofae ana sebe kofae enti no se unu obi efa yonko a military alliance o se na yekin nkenkansem no kono o se Nsoko Hene promise se every sabre no kono ntokwa bia asante hene beku bia obeboa no asante techuma wo no so ekoso 1720 eno koso ansana asante ene Britain for kra ekonwopo no ano no enti nsoko na eya asante ally military ally dia na chese sa ntokwa no so na okubi eboa asante enya de se asante ekonche nsoko yenkoso e Ose version of Nsoko history Nana Addo Gyamfi Panin II claimed, according to him, his ancestors originally came out of a cave at a place called Bel, but now known as Hani. The ancestral head, Bantune Bento, from here, they came to settle finally at Nsoko. It transpired that on one fateful day, in the life of a man called Damankama, his mother died in his absence, and when a sympathizer carried the sad news to him, he could not help but exclaimed, "Hey, Eno Asoko," literal meaning, "Hey, my mother Asogon." It was the term Asoko which was corrupted to Nsoko. Ne o kanono Nsoko abakosem no kyerɛ sɛ papa bi a na ɔyɛ Nsoko ni a ne yɛfrɛ ne Damankama ɔno sabra na Nsoko fo ɛte Hani a ntɔkɔ nti betu betena ba bi a na bɛte ne no obi a na ɔka bɛ ho a yɛfrɛ ne Damankama ne maame wui bɛbɛbɔ na maneɛ no can say Eno Asoko. Eno Asoko no na ya corrupt na ayene Nsoko. Enti minua ote kasa ya Nsoko fo be kan ya. Na Nsoko fo sabre no be ye bono fo ana se be ye efafo na Nsoko eye bono. Na se Nsoko eye bono de a ene brodi Hani nso a automatic se be ye bonfo history no etre se brebi free bonim na se ne ya wa onim no nipa dan sani entimi emfiri bonim na ohwe Nsoko history Bene Techman according to this episode be kan akamfo a ye migrate ye from old Ghana Empire Timbuktu no ha ebe settle ye na senia my migration history no esitie no nipa no be nyina be ntu da kro ebinom etu a eko settle na binom so edi akiraba and therefore no adehia bedi kan ebe settle wo amowo bibuo num ho aboda num ho akiri Nsokofo adibebifo ene brodi ne ba be keka ho nyina be ka ho be so be ba ebe settle Hani a region num a actually yebe friend Bel ana Bego na eye kaskasa ntokwa enema bemu eye den etete now yankwe or say confirming substantially the evidence of Nana Addo Gyamfi Panin II, the Adum Hene Bafo Asamoah Toti told the committee that during the reign of Nana Opokuwari I, the Ashantis decided to wage war against Techmahene. When an oracle was consulted by the Ashantis as to their chances of victory in the war, it was revealed that if they failed to seek alliance of a certain chief in the Techiman area who wore a bulletproof smock, they would be defeated. Nana Addo Koso Adumhene then volunteered to go in search of this particular chief and through enquiries eventually traced him as the Nsoko Hene. Incidentally, the help of the Nsoko Hene had then already been solicited by the Tetmahene, but nevertheless, the Adumhene won the Nsokohene over, and the latter fought on the side of Ashantis. The Techimanis having been eventually defeated, Nsoko visited Kumasi, where he swore oath of allegiance to the Asantehene. Enti abusuafo Adumhene so ne oka yeni o. Enti allegiance to Asantehene no a Nsoko esueye no. Enkyere se Nsoko eya Asantehene akoa. Eye military alliance. Na tete no no obi efa adamfo a ye kase wa swear to him a eye ntam kan wo kase me no ya fadamfo se ntokwa eye noboa ebeboa ye ho. Enti meka ntam eno nche se nipa kro no ye wakoa. Enti Nsoko asase eno entimi enye utumfo dia, because one kwanche Nsoko, one kwanche di baby na be dabe mine. According to the regions we know, o hwe kura no a safoi ene beboa hwan beboa Asantehene ma udi nkunim ewo Techiman so. Na se o kontokwa na so obi ebeboa na wuwini a ana udi watamfo no so nkunima udi watamfo no so nkunima eno enkyere se nipa kro no na japade a owo eye odia. Intimeka no mo sisu bia se historian na o kan se enye Nsoko dibebi eho enye bono ne kro ne ba no adansi ye makenkan adi danse weda Nsoko kru no ye de to Nsoko enu asoko no kra kire se eye twi kasa eye bono kasa we kire se Nsokofo be ye bonofo sene abono no di kankan the first generation of accounts no a ye free Timbuktu Old Ghana Empire ho ebae no ene ka se ye ne ye di kan bade a ye bonofo nti ba bia ye betena ye no kobae no nyina na ye frɛ ho bono, including Nsoko area ho no na ho nyina eye bonofo na nete ho na tete no isan se na otibabi na so obi beto a utim epe babi emanetna ntu Nsoko nso migrate by ebetra that area ho a na bene bonoman so ne Techiman ehwibom. Entia adansie kenkansemi edi adansie prefi se Nsoko ye bono dibebi ye bono ye kan ha obehu odi kan se Nsokofo no be free bonim na se na yawo nim no nipa ntimi free bonim ye free bonim no de na nipa no okasa e de katanachi, because se wankasa o free bonim na so obi beto no ebisa se na asase a otusu free no okasa free ba bi ne ba ya wan ha nipa kro be kontia no fi se tete no na ye konje nsase nti ne so kan titia so o free bonim eni pie na mbom be ye bonofo a they all migrated from the Old Ghana Empire. Nti se Nsoko ye bono di bibi ye bono, except se bia di bibi no group bi ka se be nye bonofo bia ekuru no ho ache mienu ibinu be ka se be nye bonofo binu so be ka se ye bonofo se sa amade a sa territory nim ho hani bego nom ne ade nyina no be nyina be ye bonofo. Now yanko so begu ho so ena nsuatrefo migrate free ebe chichiri nsuatre na ye hwe kasa nsuatrefo nso eka yenimie se nsuatre so ye bono be free begu region ho ene bai. Now sorry, ye hwe baby page 32 osi di baby Nana Yao Mensah Krontihin of the baby told the committee that his ancestors came out of a hole called Bell in the Hani area. From Bell no, Begono and a friend of Bell no, From Bell, they stopped over at Sesere Kesieso and finally settled at Dibebi. There were 4 groups who emerged from the whole: the Hanis, Dibebis, Nsokos, and some Mohammedans. Mohammedans now bobedi ohane ye hwela for league before any Karajula for ne ofrebe Mohammedans no. Benyina be free Mandi area ho ewo Senegal area ho na be kingdom no and abe migrate ba bego ebe diesika. The latter having been migrated to Ivory Coast. Ntokwani si ye no ena Mandi for Jula for no beko Côte d'Ivoire. Beko tran Bonduku. Ene Bonduku no akodi Côte d'Ivoire. Enti no oko Bonduku otumu se Jula for Edorson ho bibripa ntokwa esi hani ana bego no ene ema Jolafoi migrate settle Bonduku. Opokuwari the first at this time fought against the Germans, and it was on his way to the war that Asantehene came to meet them at Dibebi. The Dibebis consented to the request by Asantehene to assist them in the German war, which the Ashantis eventually won. During the German encounter, Dibebihene captured a drum from the enemy, and as a reward for his valor and prowess on the battlefield, the Asantehene asked the Dibebihene to keep it for good. The message conveyed by this drum called Twensini is as follows: Ankame pesemekon, literal meaning, I wish I were at war. Nana Mensah emphasized before the committee that the relationship established between themselves and the Ashantis was one of friendship, and that they were not subservient to Asantehene, nor did they even swear the oath of allegiance to him. Dibebi lands maintained Nana Mensah are vested in Dibebihene. Abusuya, yesempo, osi Dibebi, German for na Asante kokuno Opokuwari the first idru Dibebi. Eno kanchire Dibebi for se, benko boano, na sene German for hu si eden no German for no na efrebe domafoi, enya do bituma Dibesun kuni. Nebe ko support ye, beboa Asante. Na Asante kutia German. Na Asante kutia German na Asante di nkunim a yefre na Bokofi wo. Eho na Bokofi ne Twensini ekodi Dibebifo ho. Chese eno na ye buti a onyae. Fisabre num no na ono one Asantehene efa yonko ntokomu ayonko. Na Dibebi enhye Asante ase, na Dibebi nso enye subservient to Asantehene. Onhye Asante ase, na Dibebi asase eye Dibebihene edia. Odofo subscribe na share. Nama adihye ente sa nkomobo bi ifise eye nkomobo a emu edepa. Yankomoba imu edeyi na sene amosi modika abomo anohoba no we alliance series meto akoso ede abre atiefo na yahunu ne na no tumfo ta kan ha ye media no ye behunu ba wankon kabe ewo bono ne bono a befa na damfo na mpo bekura no beye den beboa no ewo ntokom na so obi ko boa wo ntokom ana se obi fo adamfo a eno nkyere se na sase a oteso no eye odia kakra mate efa nsoko eni Dibebi hui meka nsoko burahane Brody safo no nyina na betibe babia beno beko boa asante ewon tokwakum asante ankwanchebe nti basa ase abete so intimi nye sante hene dia now yem konsuatre Osi Nana Kosi Hena II Suatra Hene disclosed before the committee that his ancestors emerged from a secret rock and settled at Adabuaso near Brekum. Nana Hene could not tell whether his ancestors brought a stool along with them from the secret rock. At Adadiase, they fought in several intertribal wars, with the result that most of their ancestors either died or fled the town. Consequently, the survivors left Adadiase to Chichirere in order to seek solace. Chichirere literally means comforter. Upon the direction of the Afitish Oboten, they moved to Nsuatre Amanfonso and finally settled at Nsuatre. Nana Hene emphasized that although they assisted Ashantis in several wars, including Fantesa and the Yasantua War, they were not Ashantis. They were Brons. They did assist the Ashantis because they were their nearest neighbors. The Nsuatre continued Nana Hene had been independent since time immemorial, and the only time when they briefly lost their independence was when, after the defeat of the Ashantis in the Yasantua War, the British administration made them subordinate to Brekum. Confirming the history of Nsuatre people, Nana Owusu Amankwah IV, Bantamahene, told the committee that during the reign of Opokuwari I, the Ashantis went to wage war against the German Hene Nana Abokofi. The route to German took the Ashanti army through Susanso and Nsuatre, which were the only inhabited places in the whole area at the time. When the Ashanti army reached Nsuatre, the Nsuatre who lived with only a handful of subjects surrounded to the Ashanti, since he did not have the capacity and resources to resist the Ashanti advance. He even led the Ashantis to where Abokofi could be found. After the Abokofi War, in which the Ashantis were victorious, Nsuatre was brought to Kumasi, where he drank fetish and swore oath of allegiance to Asante Otumfuo. Otumfuo then directed that Nsuatre should be placed under Bantamahene. Minuyanum, Nsuatre history ena yaken. Ne Nana Hene okan yi na sikyere titia ne se okobo Asante ono kra na ekokyere Nsuatrefo kra na ekokyere babia na Abokofi wo ena Asantefo kye no nka be hu na Nsuatre kokyere babia Abokofi wo no wako adinkunim na senia Nsuatrefo si kan ese bebo Asante ya Asantoa wo be komans ena Fantesa nso be koma ase akyere enkyere se Nsuatre eye wodea Nsuatre enye wodea eye ntokomu ayonkofa ena ono no kofaare ena ono bo wa no hoba se ntoko bia obeba bia no obebo moden na wayeden oba abeboa na se nipa boa wa ekyere se na sase a oteso eye wodea akenkanse mi ya American atiefo moamu di adanse se Nsuatre asase was not conquered by Ashanti. utwam oni abokofi kokon abokofi so no wo asuofiri babia ne akodi kodi void unim ho unam wuram kanena wuram ne benam mpaboa kora nhyebe mukoduru nsuatre ni nsuatre kan so se mo beto ye de a ye beboam ye betuma akokire mo babia obokofi wo na mo ne no akokon enti nsuatrefo ni ma nka bokofi kora no nka santefo mo hu no na nipa ye opapa se ya nanne o be kan kire ne se oye wakwa anase nasase eye odia ode ne ho be batao na o kan so ene ye onfa ne ho nkobo adum hene na obi no fa military alliance military ayonkofa to say US ene Europe amanaman bi ba military pact military alliance ye friend NATO North Atlantic Treaty Organization Warsaw Pact nomni adadi anase ECOMOG a military alliance ne West African countries no be ya forming eno nche se Nigeria e Ghana dia anase Ghana e Nigeria so dia da bi ya boaboa no boa mi antokwa abeboa me osu nyantokwa ameboa eni dwumadi na bedi eno enche se na safo we eye asante dia odofo subscribe na share we eye alliance series amedeba ende ma kan soko de aka di bebide aka nsuatre kan tom se ono de no ye independent odi ne hoso no ye bononi nsuatre so history etrese be free hani bell ne be settle ho na se bewfo na be nsuatrafo ye bonofo de a ene bewfo no ne hanifo no ene nsokofo na be ye de enfo na be ye bonofo na se bonofo no nsokoso aba kosam kire se brodi hani ene dibebi be yina na be ye nipa baako enti nsokofo eye bonofo a ene ye dibebifo nso eye de enfo dibebifo nso eye bonofo ebetuma ba se frama no different tribe bi akotena be mudie but eno nche se be nye bonofo be ye bonofo prekope na basa ase abete so enye sante hene dia se ne amote ye no e alliance e yonkofa no ne be koye enti bono East regions traditional state bi a wombia beni asante ko ayonkofa yabeka ni na ewo ha ewo alliance series ne no ene be ma ahayam de no eto atwa ene yahu se nsoko hani dibebi brodi enye sante hene dia nsuatre nye sante hene dia na be dabe man eye independent dada o woni fa ahodie dada na boa ene obeboa o obi woni fa ahodie na obeboa wa eno enche se ne fa ahodie no wato atene ne fa ahodie no eda so kita orofo subscribe na share na ma adofo enkaye NTV na asemi de pa se ebeyo na hayam de no bonofo mo amote bono ne bono East regions mu yede sa presentation beba wie no na mo hu mo bobre asa hu mu gina bre na obi ka se hayane de wasase a oteso eyene de a wa hu nia obeka efise wo japade na obi ka se eyene de na wanto anum tuo se hey mo japade a mo enya odi o ni amena na no aka to se enya odi oka wanka bi no da kro behwe na ne oka no akoye asempa na japade a ikita no oba beji afuru nsam odofo yeden komobo no besi ha alliance series enadie episode 1 ochna nyame ya adoma yede episode 2 ebebrem aha African History and Heritage TV subscribe na share na ma adofo nkaye enti kase boy bi. Meda wase me ma monitie adehye.